Hello, my name is Deborah and I am the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations. So I have this really nice project here that I'm working on, and I thought I'd bring you in on how I do the front post, double crochet, front and back post I should say, double crochet stitch. So when you're doing front and back post double crochet stitch, you want to go ahead and start as you would a normal double crochet stitch. You yarn over. I know as you can see, I'm pushing the hook back, the yarn, pushing like the yarn out the way. I've seen some students that I've taught do it this way, but the correct way is to push it back unless you're doing a specific technique. And then you want to find the post and insert your hook in, and then you want to go back and grab your yarn, bring it back through that post, and then continue with your double crochet stitch as normal. That is the front post. So when you're doing the back post, it's a little bit trickier because you can't really do it that way. You can do it this way, but the easiest way is to go ahead and start your double crochet stitch by yarning over. If you turn it and then you grab your post and you put it through, insert it through, and then you grab your yarn and bring it back through, and then continue with your double crochet stitch, you will find it so much easier. When I was working on this pattern, I found that my stitches were going all over the place, but that is the way to keep these nice even stitches. As you can see, I will do it again. This is the front post. And then the back post. You flip it, find that post, yarn over, bring it right back through, and then continue with your double crochet stitch. And that is what makes this really nice pattern that you see. I will share with you the finished project once I complete it. If you like what you're seeing here or the various stitches, or you like to see something different, put a comment below. But in the meantime, go ahead and like and subscribe. Signing out.